Hey guys, welcome to Such and Such Farm. I'm Autumn and here's our greenhouse. It's a snowy Sunday in March, and since I've been spending most of my time in the greenhouse lately, I thought I'd show you guys what I've been up to in here. I can make a video about the details of our greenhouse later, but for now, I'll just give you guys a quick look around. All right, let's start over here in our germination station. Up top, our herbs we're starting for our new apothecary garden. We've got bergamot, dragon head balm, lemon bee balm, Mexican tarragon, and lavender going on now. And I just planted St. John's wort, valerian root, shiso, and 5 types of basils this morning. Underneath that, we have some cool weather crops like fennel, Chinese cabbage, celery root. These plants germinate just fine in the ambient temperature, so we keep them on the upper shelves. At the very bottom, we have warm weather crops that need a higher temperature to germinate. And since our greenhouse has a radiant heated floor, it ends up being a huge heat mat for things like tomatoes and peppers. So those guys go on the floor until they germinate. Once they do, we'll move them off the floor. All right, and over here, we have some bulb fennel successions. It seems like we could never have enough fennel, so we keep planting them every couple of weeks. Underneath the fennel, we have a bunch of leeks. We plant fennel and leeks in succession, so this is our first 2 succession plantings. And underneath the leeks, we have more tomato, hibiscus, and pepper starts. And next we have 2 types of Chinese cabbage, also known as Napa cabbage. We're growing red Chinese cabbage this year, which is new for us. Pretty excited to see how these little homies turn out. And up above are 5 different types of kale: Toscano kale, blue kale, red curly kale, and the green curly kale. And next to the kale is white and pink Chinese celery. We started these in the very beginning of February, and this is how big they are after a whole month. They take a lot of time and patience for sure. These varieties are new for us this year too. We designed the greenhouse benches to fit in a lot of plants in a relatively small space. Within 1 month, this greenhouse will be completely full of plants. We start all the plants for our garden in here, so we have to maximize every square foot of space that we can. All right, now let's move over to the warm weather stuff. We have a good selection of hot peppers this year. In the past few years, we've grown stupid hot peppers like ghost peppers and Carolina Reapers, but this year we're focusing on Thai chilies, hatch green chilies, and Peruvian or African peppers. And what else? Oh, tomatillos and eggplant and ground cherries. And then, of course, a lot of tomatoes. I think I planted over 13 varieties of tomatoes this year. Everything from purple, red, green, pink, orange, yellow, striped, and sauce tomatoes. I'm really happy with how these are coming in already. I'll probably get ready to uppot some of these in about 2 weeks. And I moved this sauce tomato tray from off the floor yesterday, and now they're really coming in strong and responding well to the sunlight and ambient temperature. And lastly, our sweet peppers. So far I have some cubanelles, Jimmy Nardello, and pimento peppers coming in, but altogether we probably have about 12 varieties of sweet peppers this year, but most of them are still on the heated floor. So I think that's it. It's a nice and humid 65 degrees in here, so I think I'll just hide out in here for a while before going back out in the snow. So if anyone needs to find me, I'll be here. I have some Tulsi basil and chamomile still to plant today. And thanks for checking out the progress in our greenhouse, guys. If you like this video and want to see more videos from us at Such and Such Farm, let us know in the comments. If you want to stay up to date with us on the daily, links to our website and social media can be found below.